Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get the noob plushie bulid a boat. First get the jetpack in the shop. Then start buliding a boat with iron blocks, engine and controller sit. Don't forget to use a jetpack. When you're done, launch your boat. Make sure there is the alien place pixel alien. Let's add music while waiting. We're finally here. Now go to the video game plaza that have a noob on it. Try to get the glowing color and the red line in front of us. When you did it, you will receive the newbie already got it, so it didn't work. Hope this helps. Bye.